My husband complains all the time. I can't tell what's clean, I can't tell what's dirty. We need a better system. Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. So today I decided my laundry room, I've had enough with it. It's a disaster. There's no rhyme or reason to anything in there. My husband complains all the time. I can't tell what's clean, I can't tell what's dirty. We need a better system. So I am going to take that as a challenge and fix that in our lives because it is a constant argument in our household. So we're just gonna do away with that argument and come up with a new system. So follow along with me and we'll get this place back to organized so that there's no longer fights between my husband and I regarding the laundry room. Okay, here's the laundry room. It looks like my dryer threw up clothing everywhere. So we're gonna work on getting this organized and hopefully get this to a place where there's a system and it doesn't ever look like my dryer exploded again. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, now that I have this cleared out, I just need to vacuum, and then we're gonna try and come up with some sort of better looking organization for up here. Put a new trash bag in there. I have this all cleared out here, so I'm just gonna vacuum it really good. I have a load of wash already going, and I'm going to run to a store and get us some, hopefully, organizational stuff. I'm thinking doing like a shelving unit with some baskets to help sort the laundry, and then maybe like some nice containers or something to put the laundry detergent and all of these little accessories in. So we'll vacuum and go get that started. So here's the final product. I went to Target and got this shelving unit, and I picked up uniform baskets to make sure that we have all of the same baskets. And then I got these little items to store my stuff in. So this one I found in Target's $1, $3, $5 section. I'm pretty sure I paid $5 for this one. Then this container I got over in like the kitchen and home section. This was $9.99. And then I got this little basket for $1.99 to keep my dryer sheets in. And then I ran over to Michael's because I thought having a cute little sign in here would be fun. And I found this one and I thought it was hilarious. So I just had to add that to my laundry room. Okay, so for the laundry organization portion of this, my husband and I are going to share the top basket. I'm going to have our oldest daughters, be the one just below. Then the middle child will have the one below that, and then the very bottom basket will be for our 5-year-old daughter. The thought process here is going to be that the rule is that you need to check your basket twice a week. The younger girls, I'll still fold their laundry for them, but they are responsible for picking it up and putting it away. My oldest, she needs to fold her own laundry and put it away, so she just has to check to make sure there's nothing in there twice a week. And I'll fold the laundry that's in my husband and I's basket. So that is today's video. I hope that this laundry room cleanup and organization gave you some inspiration to organize your laundry room or tackle a room in your house that has just been bothering you. Please be sure to subscribe, ring the bell for notifications, leave a comment below. Thank you so much for joining me today. Bye-bye.